trying to clear out my library so I can edit more videos, and I found this footage of a project that I was working on last year, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's just a fireplace mantle that I made for somebody, and it's not a solid mantle, it's more of like a box design. And for those of you who hate pocket screws, I'm just gonna apologize now because you're probably gonna hate this project. This is the top board, and screws through these holes is how the mantle is actually going to be mounted to the fireplace. This steel is 1/4 inch thick and 2 inches wide. When drilling thick material like this, I love using these step bits because I feel like they do a fantastic job. And I don't have finished pictures of this, but I can tell you that these brackets and these carriage bolts ended up being a matte black. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, I want to say thank you for watching. I know your time is extremely important. If you would like to watch more videos, here are some options.